Cardano Beam was our first proposal that we ever went to Catalyst with in Fund 8. We got funded and we delivered a product. This is the Fund 10 proposal is to extend it. The basic idea of Cardano Beam is a platform that rewards users for the physical presence at a certain place at a certain time. It's a location-based nudge that could alter people's behavior in a predictable way without forbidding or taking out any options. You place assets on the map, and others can redeem from the map. The use cases. We've run a 220-kilometer bike ride using this app. There's people selling adventure passes. We have a Swiss hike to go on 5 mountain peaks in Switzerland. Comic-Con San Diego used this a month ago. Twisted Gear launched the product on its Langaria education license, and using it. D-Safari was on Cardano Coffee yesterday. They have a proposal from Catalyst to do a safari in Zambia. Finding Octo, another education platform. We've done yoga tickets for yoga club in Lisbon. New York NFT conference have used our solution, and we run an Easter egg hunt where kids went to collect eggs in physical locations around the world. We've built all this in-house. We have a web app that lets you connect to your web wallet, Cardano web wallet, and lets you place assets from your wallet onto the map. It locks them in smart contracts. And we have a mobile app on Apple and Android, which you go to those physical locations and you can collect the assets that are locked in there if you satisfy the conditions. We've also built a fiat on-ramp to allow non-crypto users to use applications and pay for tickets with credit cards. That has been very useful to onboard new users to Cardano. We've created a marketplace where any new event can publish their events and have users purchase tickets. And events are visible on our webpage and as well as on the mobile apps, and they're ordered by event like closest to the user. So it creates a lot of community and people can see what is closest to them. We have more than 300 mobile users. We have more than 400 locations around the globe. More than 1,000 assets have been locked. And we're asking additional funding in Fund10 to improve our UX UI, spend some money on business development to go after companies to start using Cardano in our application. We want to improve the ticket validation process. We want to create a snap and mint. You take a photo, you place it, you can lock it in a smart contract where you are so others can come and redeem it. And we're in talks with the colleagues who are building a proof of presence hardware for Cardano to ensure that the person can prove the location. Again, thank you for listening, and please consider supporting our content application.